elections and ज्या भाशेन आपाचो performance. So you all in Goa had a meeting yesterday evening. What was this meeting especially to discuss on?
See, कशें आसा मरे basically we have lost government in Delhi, but we have not lost vote share in Delhi. We have got about 44% vote share in Delhi, and BJP has got 46% of vote share in Delhi, and Congress has got about 6% vote share in Delhi. But the difference of vote share in Delhi between BJP and AAP has been only 2%. We have lost numbers, and numbers lost means that's why the government is lost. सो आमकां आमचे जे गोंयचे जे आमची टीम आसा तांकां एक रिअश्योरन्स दिवंक जाय आशिल्लें की दे शूड नॉट बी डिजेक्टेड विथ द लॉस ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. इट्स नॉट दॅट आम आदमी पार्टी हॅज बीन रिजेक्टेड बाय पीपल ऑफ दिल्ली. इट इज जस्ट दॅट वी कुड नॉट गेट इनफ नंबर्स. वी हॅव लॉस्ट सर्टन सीट्स बाय मार्जिन्स ऑफ से 400, 600, 700 वोट्स. अँड ते 15 ते 17 जे सीट्स आसा ते इन द मार्जिन्स ऑफ बिटवीन 600 to 4000 वोट्साच्या मार्जिनान हल्ल्या. ते जर हांगा थंय जाल्ले जाल्यार वी कुड हॅव फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट. सो वी हॅड टू रिअश्योर दॅट वी हॅड टू ऑल्सो रिकूप. वी हॅड टू ऑल्सो स्टार्ट द प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रिपरेशन फॉर जिल्हा पंचायत इलेक्शन आनी आमी 2027 जो इलेक्शन आसा. वी हॅव आयडेंटिफायड various assembly constituencies where we have plus points, we have our leaders, and these leaders have to work hard now to work for 2027 and be a part of the government in 2027.
But what can you learn from Delhi so that you can perform in Goa?
No, there are a lot of things to learn. There is a lot of things to unlearn, and there is a lot of things that we have discussed internally. I don't think I can share that with you right now. But there is a lot of things that we need to do about building our cadre. संघटन जे आसा आम आदमी पार्टीचे जे फाटली 10 वर्सां जाली गोंयांत काम करता, पण वी हॅड टू कन्सॉलिडेट, वी हॅव टू गेट टुगेदर, वी हॅव टू रिअश्योर, वी हॅव टू reaffirm certain things, and we have to start the process afresh, start the process with very fresh mind and very fresh mindset. आणि तो मायंडसेट क्रिएट करपाक जाय जाल्यार आमकां लिडर्सांकय काम करपाची गरज आसा, ग्रावंड लेवलाचेर येवपाची गरज आसा. गोंयकारपण हें फुडें धरून कशे तरेन काम करपाक जाय, दॅट इज द होल आयडिया ऑफ द मिटींग yesterday, and it was a very successful meeting, I must say.
And the other thing is that